Hi Skin Games, it's me, Kisha Hamilton from the Review in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 5 of our pigmentation category. Today I want to document why I believe hydration and barrier repair are critical when treating hyperpigmentation. I started off this treatment plan with a hydrodermabrasion facial, and this facial was specifically to soften up the skin, but it also infuses lots of hydration into the skin, and because it is mainly a hydration focused treatment. It's mainly built to infuse hydration into the skin because it's infusing sodium hyaluronate to allow for it to attract moisture. So hydration was very, very important to me. It's not a secondary thing. It was the foundation of this treatment plan. I believe in order for me to be successful, I needed to start off with making sure that I could restore her barrier and add lots of hydration and get hydration in her diet and just in her skin and in her home care plan. Especially in this case study where I'm using a Mandelic Acid that is 20% at a pH of 3. And I'm coupling that with a pumpkin enzyme. When working on pigmentation, it's not just about exfoliating the pigment, it's about controlling inflammation and protecting the skin barrier. As you may know, dehydrated skin can be a sign of stressed skin. And then when the skin is stressed, it's going to produce more melanin. Her home care, it was very important to me that her home care was very hydration focused and healing the barrier focused. And so I use products like a skin serum that will help with restoring the barrier. This serum also just improves the communication between the cells to heal the skin, as it includes adipose, which is a conditioned media of stem cells. And so I wanted to make sure that I was incorporating products at home that was going to increase hydration as well as healing for her barrier, because the last thing that I wanted to do was to disrupt the barrier and cause more hyperpigmentation. When the skin is able to heal properly, the inflammation process is regulated, and this will allow for the skin to shed evenly, allowing for a better result as we are working on brightening up Brittany's skin. I'm looking forward to seeing what these results will yield for us in the next 4 weeks.